So you tried printing and you saw what happened. When you come back to your file and look, here's the problem. See the E? When the printer prints this red and finishes printing the red top here, any of the letters that are connected, like the one back there it looks like, the next layer, it will start that. But there is no next layer here. So this might be 4 or 5 layers before it gets to the bottom of this E and it starts to print it. But where is it printing it? It's trying to print it in midair. And that's why it messes up. So, very important when you're designing. You've got to check all of that. This piece must be touching. Touching is good, even going down a little bit below the surface of the red, so they are definitely connected like that. So now you can see here, this dotted line is down in below here, right? So that means that this is below the surface of this. So they are definitely connected now. Putting together pieces, that's key. They've got to be touching. Even the tiniest gap is going to mess it up.